BHD Vietnam factory was established in 2018, fully absorbing the production experience from Chinese factories and continuously optimizing and improving. Through relentless efforts, our product demand reached a saturation point in 2019. In order to meet market demand and further expand production capacity, we completed a Phase 2 expansion in 2020.
BHD Vietnam factory occupies an area of 302,000 square feet, with an annual output of 20,000 tons. Our products, known for their excellent quality designs and that comply with AS4084 and RMI standards, have become major suppliers in the North American and Australian markets. We export 1,500 40-foot containers annually.
Behind BHD Vietnam factory is a professional and experienced team. With over 150 employees, they play a crucial role in various positions. Their dedication and spirit of contribution are key factors in the success of our factory.
BHD Vietnam factory is dedicated to providing high-quality products and fast delivery services through advanced equipment and strict quality inspection processes. We understand the importance of quality and on-time delivery to our customers, which is why we continuously invest in equipment and process improvements to ensure our products always meet customer requirements. Currently, BHD factory in Vietnam owns 40 production devices, including 2 automatic painting lines. The implementation of these devices has enabled our production process to achieve a basic level of automation and strict adherence to the quality standards for export products. To ensure product quality, each workshop is equipped with a quality inspection team. They conduct quality inspections every half an hour, and after each size change, we perform trial production to confirm the accuracy of dimensions before proceeding with mass production. This quality inspection process ensures that our products meet high standards. One highlight equipment in our factory is the upright spraying line. This production line has sufficient production capacity with daily output ranging from 3,000 to 5,000 beams. Standard products can be shipped within 1 week.
Moreover, BHD Vietnam factory has considerable storage capacity, able to accommodate approximately 50 40-feet containers of goods. We have professional warehouses and logistics teams capable of shipping a maximum of 6 to 7 40-feet containers per day. This logistics capability enables us to deliver customer orders promptly and ensure efficient operation of the supply chain.